In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 120 FPS on CapCut. First, let's quickly talk about what 120 FPS actually means. FPS stands for frames per second, and the higher that number is, the smoother your video will look. Most standard videos are 30 FPS or 60 FPS, so 120 FPS is extremely smooth and is great for fast motion, gaming clips, slow motion edits, or anything where you want that extra fluid look. Before you start, make sure you have CapCut installed and updated to the latest version. Features related to higher frame rates can depend on both your device and the app version, so updating is an important first step. Also, keep in mind that not every device can handle exporting at 120 FPS smoothly, especially older phones. If your device starts to lag or overheat, you might want to step down to 60 FPS instead. Open CapCut and create a new project, or choose an existing one you want to upgrade to 120 FPS. Import your clips like you normally would and arrange them on the timeline. Do your basic edits first: cutting, trimming, adding transitions, text, and effects. It's usually easier to set your frame rate after you have a rough edit in place, so you don't have to re-export multiple times. Once your edit is ready, look for the export or share button, usually at the top right of the screen. When you tap it, CapCut shows you the export settings before you confirm the final render. This is where you choose your resolution, frame rate, and quality. Find the frame rate option and tap it. You'll see common choices like 24, 30, 60, and, on supported devices, 120 FPS. Select 120 FPS here. If you don't see 120 listed, your current device or project may not support it. In that case, try updating CapCut again, closing and reopening the app, or checking whether your original footage and device are capable of higher frame rates. While you're there, pick a resolution that matches your needs, like 1080p or 4K. And set the quality to high if your storage and device performance allow it. Just remember that 120 FPS videos will create larger file sizes and can take longer to export. When everything is set, tap the export button and let CapCut render your video. Once it's done, play the exported file from your gallery to confirm it looks smooth at 120 FPS. If playback seems choppy, it might just be your device preview struggling. Try viewing it on a more powerful device or a computer for a better test. That's how you get 120 FPS on CapCut.